nice duster. I love these sunroofs. These were the, what's called cloth. It's actually vinyl sunroofs. They were big in Europe, but they never caught on here. The metal ones were the big ones. Look how large that is. It's literally the next best thing to a convertible. This, of course, is the 72 Demon. .340s, 727. The sunroof was factory installed, which is really important. One of 92. Oh, the hood performance, okay. I like the hood. That's cool. Let's check out the other Demons over here. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Chrysler Nationals in Building T. Checking out some of the Demons. I love that lime green. That is cool.
Already it's low, but yet they started it at the character line, and then you get all the way back here.
This looks like an original.
So I think they did.
There is work on it. There has been work on it. Classic orange. That's beautiful. One thing which I want to check again, you know me with the original prices. This was the original paperwork on this particular car, which is really pretty cool. It's $35.50, $3,550. The bottom line came out to $35.30 after everything. No trade-in. Add vinyl top, $80. Neat. Again, 71. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Is this original? Original? Kind of, yeah. Yeah.
Most of what you're looking at is, but
yeah, I see you've had work on the right side.
Well, more like, no, that's actually painted over its original stripe.
Yeah. Okay.
In the back.
Yeah. Wow.
All the body is the way I got it. The vinyl top was put on in 1971 at Mr. Norm's.
Very good.
It's this right here.
Yep, I picked that up. I had to get that. So that's cool. That is cool. So this is a car straight out Mr. Norm, huh? This is a Mr. Norm car?
Oh, the real deal.
Wow. Did he massage it at all?
It wouldn't be a GSS.
Gotcha.
It wouldn't be a tri-power Corvette carburetors.
Oh my gosh. That's wonderful. And I see it's officiated.
Oh yeah.
That is great.
This is...
Holy moly.
I mean, all this is, you know, Mr. Norm's. But look, more important, okay,
Yeah.
is this card. Which
Okay.
is just a... Which is just... That means it's a GSS. So here's the difference, too. You could have bought a Mr. Norm car like this.
Right.
And then this guy wanted GSS, so it's here on the ticket, and it's being put together with that card.
I see. Okay, very good. You've got power windows?
No power windows.
Wondering, sitting there with the ticket.
No.
Oh, that's Miller going over. I was wondering about that.
Yeah, but that's how you tell these cars are real.
Gotcha.
that little card. Okay?
Wow.
Because there's like 5 different people's signatures on it.
That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So as the GSS, this car came out to $3,329.15. Holy smokes. Wow. That is amazing. Where did you find her?
Oh, I bought it at a Mecum auction, then I had to rebuild all this, everything. Everything from here to here to there, all mine. All the interior, everything. I think it's a brake or a fluid goes through it.
Yeah.
Fix the hole in the floor for the 4-speed shifter hole in it.
Yeah. Wow. Jeez. This is what, originally an automatic?
Yes.
Beefed up 727?
Yes.
This is something. I'll tell you, what an ultimate sleeper. Easy to miss. This is great.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the only one that drives.
Oh, this is fantastic. Thanks for opening the hood. Appreciate it.
Get out of your way.
Oh, no worries. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Chrysler Nationals, checking out this GSS from Mr. Norm himself. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. Yeah, yours. You know, all the guys asking me, hey, put my stuff in. Come on down to my show. Put it on the calendar. And if you like the video, subscribe. Hey, I'll see you at the shows. Thanks for watching.